Hi, I'm Shayla Peterson, licensed clinical social worker, the owner of Control Shift Balance, the co-founder of the TheraLeague Society, and today I come to you as your supportive DTA coach. Now, if you don't know, I am a graduate, of the Dope Therapist Academy, Dr. TK's program. But I enjoy this position being on this end because I get to help you and navigate, as you are going through this process as well, because I was there before, so I get it. So as your supportive DTA coach, there's different ways that you're going to see me work through the program with you. One, you'll see me pop up on some of your calls with Dr. TK, and I love being part of there because there's always there's something new to learn. So even if you've been through the program before, there's always something that I didn't catch before. So I love going through that process with you. The second thing is you'll see me in the Facebook group. I don't mind answering your questions if I know the answer. If I don't, I'll make sure that I get to somebody who knows the answer and be able to share that with you. So don't be afraid to jump into the Facebook group and put those questions and your wins in there so we can continue to encourage you on this process, right? Now, the other part is you get to see me in some of your bonus calls. And I'm so excited about those because these are things that I've been developing over time. And these are for you right inside of the Dope Therapist Academy program, right? So one of those things is we're going to talk about navigating licensure in multiple states, right? How do you do that? And how do you even effectively market yourself as you start to gain multiple licenses, if that's something that you desire to do? The second thing is crushing your consultation and your onboarding process, right? We know that that is not a simple task. And I go, that's sometimes like one of the second or third touch points that clients, potential clients, are connecting with you. And we're going to help you develop a plan, a framework that you're going to be able to get your clients from point A to point B and show them how to do that effectively and have a system in place, right? Because the more systems we have in place, the less overwhelmed we feel. The third class too that I'll teach as your bonus call, right, is utilizing social media without the overwhelm. How can we reduce the overwhelm and anxiety? So even if you never even got on social media before and it's something that you're thinking about and considering, we're going to talk about how to do that and create a plan on where it's not overwhelming you at all. I look forward to connecting with you. I look forward to sharing these gems with you and being in this space as your supportive coach in the DTA program. And I look forward to seeing you soon.